DQB cassette awning installation tutorial. Measure product size. Align wall bracket center to mounting decals. The other side too. Then measure the distance to the wall mount. Removing the wall bracket. Remove these two screws. The other side also does the same. Start the spirit level. Mark the location at a predetermined height. Then mark the width of the wall bracket. This side marks the horizontal height. Then attach the wall bracket to mark the screw position. Drill holes at marked locations. Then install the wall bracket. Tighten the screws. When installing, the sticker needs to be aligned with the wall bracket. Lift up the product. This is the detail angle. The product must snap into the wall bracket. Then someone needs to hold on to the product. Screw in 2 security screws for the wall bracket. Do the same with the other wall bracket. After tightening the screws, go to the next step. Press the awning with your hand to prevent it from popping up and hurting people. Then untie the rope. Unpack and get the remote. Product power up. View the effect. The next step is to adjust the slope of the product. Now use 1.42 meters as a reference. The screw hole in the middle of the wall bracket. Use a size 6 hex wrench to insert into the hole. Front auxiliary support lifts the front tube. Then turn the wrench counterclockwise. The angle of the front tube can be adjusted upwards. Now raise 13 cm. The other side needs to be raised in the same operation. 1.52 meters. Turn clockwise to adjust the angle downward. At the end, tighten the safety screws of each wall bracket.